up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys a few things that I picked up from the store, because guess what? Christmas is coming. Christmas is almost here, and your girl is trying to get a head start this year. This year I want to at least have my tree up before December 1st. That's the goal, because I want to be able to enjoy the Christmas tree being up, the decor being out for the full month of December. Now today I will be showing you guys the different things that I picked up at the store as we finalize the color schemes. Now I'm trying to decide. Now y'all can help me depending on when this video come out, okay? These are all the things that I have purchased. Oh wait a minute, hold on. The main attraction. All right, guys. So these are the things that I purchased so far from the store. The goal is not to have to go back to the store no more. If anything, we're gonna do some returns, but we don't need to purchase nothing else, okay? All right, so let's go through what we have. I'm gonna tell you guys ahead of time. I went to Burlington's, I went to Ross, and I went to Foreman Mills and Dollar Tree. So let's start with the main part of the show, okay? This right here. If you've been watching my vlog and you probably see me when I purchased this. I said, oh yes, we need this. Do y'all see this blue? Look at this blue. Blue is beautiful, you hear me? And it has gold in it, and it kind of looks like a champagne gold. And I was like, oh, we gotta have this. So this was the start of, okay, because I already had orange. Follow with me. I already had this orange already. And I said, if we do the orange blue, we can do this right here, right? I don't know if you guys are interested in prices, but it was $16.99 for 50 bucks. A throw blanket. Because I always like, as you guys can already see right now, I like to put a color throw to match the thing. It's perfect, right? Stay with me. Y'all see the vision? Y'all see the vision? So this, I said, hold on. We can do the blue and the orange theme, okay? We looking good. This blue, or the blue that I have on the back of the couch, if it's the same shade. So because I like everything to match, if you watch some of my other videos, I usually take the pillow covers from like the mattress set and put them on my pillows. That way everything is the same shade. This pack I found for $18.99, and it came with 4 pillow covers. This pajama set, because it was blue and white, staying on theme. And this is from a brand called Laura Ashley. Price is $19.99. I went to Ross and I found these slippers, which were $12.99. And I said, oh, this must be destined for me to do blues, because I found all this in one day. And I was like, okay, I think it's meant to be. I think it's meant to be, y'all. So then, new tree topper, which is a star, and it also lights up. It's an LED light. And there was no price tag on it, so the cashier actually gave it to me for $5.99. I said, that's my kind of budget. I like that. Put it in the buggy. Ring me up, girl. Keep all your receipts. Keep them all. Okay, now today, the goal was to find some pillow covers done with this color, because I feel like this one is a little light. So I was like, ooh, if I found some, like maybe a satin pillow cover, kind of like how these orange ones are. They like really stick out and they're shiny. So maybe if I get a satin blue, like a lighter blue, that would mesh the blues, the dark blue, the orange, and everything together. So, just so today, this is what I found. I found these, and I said, wait a minute. I need this, cause we getting there. I wound up finding these slippers, and I was like, oh, this matched the light blue thing. So I was like, oh, and they got bows. And I remember the pajama set that we got had bows in it. So I was like, do we need these or do we want these? Which one? I don't know. Should we keep both? I don't know. So I found these, and these were $8.99. So I was like, okay, girl. Dollar Tree. It usually like around my TV, and I found these. And I was like, these are so cute. Look at that blue. And it's an ombre blue. Last year I did find pink ones at Dollar Tree too. So Dollar Tree be on point. They be knowing what colors people gonna be trying out. And they actually had they had a green one too. And I was like, when I did green, why ain't finding these greens then? But If you're looking for these little cute little trees, they have ombre green, they have pink, they had gold at the bottom. And then I also found me a little Christmas set because we gotta stay on theme, right? It's not matching the theme like I wanted to. Now this from a distance, I feel like it's a little darker than these, so it probably will stand out. And it looks close to this blue that's on the table. So we might still use this one, I don't know, we'll see. But this is literally like the same color that this one is already. So I was like, we don't need this, so this is definitely going back to the store. But now when I went to Foreman Mills, this is what switched up everything. I went to Foreman Mills, like, okay, I got pillowcases from them before. Y'all, stay with me, okay? I went to look at the pillowcases, and this is what we found. So I found this, and I said, okay, this is perfect. Found these 2 packs. If we were to switch to do just shades of blue, this would be perfect. Now, color as the ones that we just bought for $20. And these, how much these cost? $3.99 a piece? $4? We can get we can get 8 pillowcases for $20 instead of, like, what is that? 4, 8, $16. We can get 8 pillowcases. I can't. We can get 8 pillowcases for $16 versus a set that I'm not necessarily going to use for my bed. I just wanted the pillow covers out for $20. I was like, just grab these just in case, you know. If anything, you know what we always do? Keep a receipt. Before we open it up, we're going to decide once we lay everything out. So, that was that. So once I saw this perfect shade of blue, because we're trying to incorporate the lighter blues, right? I came across this throw blanket. And I said, just, you don't need this. But this will start brightening up the space so it doesn't look dark. One thing I don't like is for my decor to be dark at all. Now you can have, like, you see how we got the dark oranges, but we got this light orange right here to help balance and bring light back. I was like, do we need the dark blue blanket? If anything, I can swap either or for my bed, because whatever I do in my front room, I do in the bathroom and bedrooms too. So I was like, this is more than enough. So I found this. Then I came across this. Your girl loves a good robe, okay? Love me a good robe. And this came with a robe and a bath sponge and an eye mask for $60.99. I said, do we need this, Jessica? No. Do we want it? Yes. Mm-hmm. So what we do? We got it. Oh, it's got bows on it. Now these are not the same 2 colors. So, I don't know. I'll probably just keep it anyway. Look how all this match. Look at that. Yeah, I see it. So I was like, do we need this? Probably not. But last but not least, if you watched the vlog, you saw I was on a hunt because I saw these boots. Now the other day, here in Chicago, we had some snow. And I'm trying to figure out how. So I said, you know what? It's time to bring some boots out. And all of my boots, my black boots are knee boots. I only have 1 pair that's like ankle, but it's like a suede material with a little heel. Look at these, y'all. And these are what? GB? What is it called? GBG? And I saw these. This is what sold me. This right here. This gold. I need it. And it has a little gold detail on the side, on the buckle, and it does zip up on the insides. Found these and I was like, oh. This would be good to have down so that when the weather does switch, we already got some boots already. Last but not least, your girl loves a little gold jewelry called Natasha. And I got these earrings. These were $6.99 for 2 sets, silver and gold. I also found these as well. They came to gold and silver pair out of my collection. We should see how the longevity of it. Let's see. I don't need nothing else. If anything, I need to just decide on if we're doing orange and blue or are we doing different shades of blue. Looking at everything, I think I can just do shades of blue. Blue, shades of blue, gold, and a champagne color. And then we can do the 2-tone maybe next year or something. I don't know. But if anything, we have more than enough stuff. We don't need nothing else. Nothing. Okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video thus far. I hope you guys saw some things that maybe you may be interested in. Or you just like, oh, that's cute. And comment below what your theme is going to be for this year. Do you pick a different theme each year? Or do you switch up the decor based off the season and different colors? Me per se, I do like to switch it up every year. Just because I like to switch my decor up, just to give my apartment a different feeling, a different vibe as the year progresses. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys next time. In the next video, you will see me putting the Christmas tree up, putting the decor around. So stay tuned if you want to see how we decide to do Christmas this year.